In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a Gmail account fixed today. Here, let's begin. Start by opening your browser and going to the Gmail website. If you're already signed into another account, go to the top right corner and click your profile picture, then select Add Another Account. You can also go directly to the Google Account Recovery page if you prefer. On the sign-in or recovery screen, enter the email address or phone number associated with the account you want to recover, then click Next. If the account was recently deleted, you may see a message indicating that the account can still be recovered. Click Next to proceed with the recovery process. Continue by clicking Next again as prompted, then wait for the recovery page to load. You'll now be asked to verify your identity. Enter the last password you remember for that account, then click Next. If the information you provided is correct, Google will restore your account. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully recovered. Once completed, you can continue using your account as normal. You'll be able to access your inbox, view existing emails, and send new messages again. For the best chance of success, try to perform the recovery on a device and network you've used before with that account. This helps Google confirm that you're the rightful owner. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.